National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Livingston County in central Illinois, southern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, until 4 p.m. At 3:25 p.m., a large severe thunderstorm extended from near Wayona to near El Paso, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tennis ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expects damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Severe thunderstorms will be near Gridley around 3:35 p.m. Streeter, Flanagan and South Streeter around 3:40 p.m. Cornell around 3:50 p.m. Pontiac around 3:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Dana, Ransom, Kangley, Rutland and Long Point, including the following interstate: Interstate 55 between mile markers 188 and 204. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central, north-central and northeastern Illinois. These are dangerous storms. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central, north-central and northeastern Illinois. This is NOAA's